Friend, welcome to the Beat family. This is me Naren. Today I am going to explain about control structure. What is it and how it is uses, what is the use of control structure in programming. Before doing a programming, we should know about the control structure because machines flow the instructions, and how does it flow and how the instructions are being controlled. We should know about it while writing a program. Control structures defines the order in which the program instructions are performed by the computer. There are three types of control structure. They are sequence control structure. Here I have written double E, sorry, sequence, sequence, and the selection structure, and above and the last iteration structure. Here, sequence instructions are simple type of structure that it is a set of instruction where one statement flows to another statement and the next instruction are proceed after the one of the previous instruction are completed or executed properly. Now, selection structure. Selection structure are the structure in which the program statements runs to another statement if the conditions are true. They are based on the condition. If it is true, it will print one statement, and if it is false, it will print another statements. Here I have given an example. If the variable age contains the number greater than or equal to 80, then it will print you can cast word, and if the variable age contains lesser value than 18, then it will print you cannot cast vote. Now, iteration structure. Here the flowchart has given of selection structure. Now, the iteration structure. They are the computer instructions that are performed repeatedly and conditionally. It is also often called a loop. They are continually performed until a program goes true or false. Iteration structure. If the condition is true, it will print repeatedly until the condition becomes false. Here, while the variable n is less than 10, it will continually print the value of n, and here the n is increases by 1, and the loop continues until the condition n is and until the variable n becomes greater than 10 or equal to 10. Now, here the flowchart of iteration structure. Now, what is the syntax? In programming, we have to tackle the term syntax. Syntax are the grammatical rule in the programming. Just like in English sentences, we have to follow some grammatical rule. In the same way, we have to follow grammatical structure of programming. It means using character structure that a computer can interpret. For example, if a user tries to execute a command without proper syntax, it generates the syntax error, usually causing the program to fail. Programmers communicate with computer through the correctly structured syntax, semantics, and grammar of a programming language. Here, semantics. If a sentence, just like in English sentences, if the grammatical structure is right, but if it fails to give the correct meaning, then it will causes the error. For example, a boy can give a birth. The sentence, the grammatical structure is correct, but the meaning is incorrect. So just like in computer programming, the syntax may be correct, but the meaning may goes wrong. For example, we have to write a program. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10, but if we have done the subtraction formula is like C is equal to A minus B, but we are expecting to get addition, have to get the sum, then it will gives the semantic error. Here the semantic is the meaning given to the syntactic constructs, the meaning given to syntax of programming language that do not contain any error and understand by programmer is called semantics. We should it describes the behavior that computer follows the when executing the program. Programming, testing, and debugging. What is testing? Testing, while writing a program, we have to test the program. It is the process of checking by means of actual execution whether a program behaves in the desired manner. The program is executed and supplied with the test data, and the way in which the program responds to this test data are analyzed. Here the data is analyzed with the correct data given by the vendors or the programmers. Debugging is the process to find the error in the program or to find the bug from the programs. It checks, detects, and corrects that error to allow the proper program operation according to the set specification. Now, types of errors. There are different types of errors. There are syntax errors. Syntax error is an error in the source code of a program. Since computer programs must follow strict syntax to compile correctly, any aspect of the code that do not conform to the syntax of the programming language will produce a syntax error. They are detected by language translator and are easy to find. Logical error are error that are difficult to find out. For example, it is a type of runtime error. For example, if we have written a program, and we have given the condition that n is greater than something 10, and if it does not meet that condition, if it does not meet the condition, the program may goes infinite and it may crash the programming. They are unable to find by the translator. Of course, it is very unable. We are we may find difficult to find out. Now there are different types of programming design tool. We should know about it, and that it may if studying the programming design tool will help us to make some logical concept in our mind, and we are able to write the programs. So we should know about what is programming design tool. There are different types of programming design, and mainly we will deal three types of programming design tool here: algorithm, flowchart, pseudocode. And these tools may give you logical concept in your programming skill, and I will explain about it on the next session. Thank you, friend. If you like this video, please do a like button, do a like, subscribe, and comment, so that I will be motivated to make more videos in these topics. Thank you, friend.